Go, Buster!
Hey there, Buster.
Oh.
What's that? A soccer ball.
Huh?
Oh, look, Buster. All of your friends are lined up to play a soccer game. And they need one more player. Go on, Buster. This is going to be so much fun. Kick off. Aw, too slow, Buster. CJ, the cement mixer, is going for a shot. Can Jessie Jeep save it? Come on, Jessie, you can do it. Oh, nearly, but goal! Nice shooting, CJ. Great header, Buster. What a kick, Scout. Great block, Digger. Haha, Scout has played the ball of Digger. Scout's making a run for the goal. Go, Scout. You can do it. No one can tackle her. Goal! Way to go, Scout. Jessie to Scout. Scout kicks it on. Great kick, Digger, straight to Bandit. Oh, that was a bit rough, Bandit. Is Bandit going to score? Can Jessie save it this time? Oh no! Jessie burst the ball. Is that the end of the game? Oh, thank goodness. Otis has a spare ball. The game's back on. It's really heating up now. Buster's going for a run at the goal. Oh no! Bandit Bus shoved Buster. That's a foul. Good refereeing, Robert. Bandit's been given a red card. Robin's sending Bandit off. That's what happens when you play too rough. Now Buster gets to take a penalty shot. Come on, Buster. Goal! You did it, Buster! You won the game! And you won a nice trophy, too. That was so much fun.